Hello Enagic family, hope you are doing well and staying safe. Our topic for today's video is about cleaning. How you can keep up with the top quality of your Kangen water by just following simple procedures to clean your machine. Here we are going to show the steps of e-cleaning for our Leveluk SD501. All the machines can be cleaned with the same procedure except K8, about which we will discuss in a different video. First, we are going to turn off the power and unplug the cord from the power outlet. Open up the filter cover and remove the filter from the machine. Get the cleaning cartridge and open it up from the top. Fill the cartridge with 1 pack of Enagic E-cleaning powder and close the top. Install the cartridge in place of the filter and make sure to lock it with the filter ring. Get an empty container and fill about half of it with the water from your faucet. Now please turn on your faucet to run the water through the machine. Once you see the water coming out from both the hoses, flex hose and secondary hose, count for 10 seconds. Then shut the faucet down. Take the ends of the flexible hose and secondary hose and dip it into the container of the water. Please be sure that both the hoses end needs to be dipped inside the water. Leave the setup like that for 5 to 6 hours. After that, remove both the hoses from the container and run the water through the machine for 5 to 7 minutes to rinse the unit. Once rinsing is finished, you can remove the cleaning cartridge, install the filter in its place and start drinking the water from the machine.